Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the hidden game in Microsoft Edge called Seven. It's a very interesting game, so please watch this video to the end. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, I welcome you. And please don't forget to support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get started. So to access the hidden surfing game in Microsoft Edge, you don't need internet access, okay? All that you need is Microsoft Edge installed on your PC. So to access it, you double click on the Microsoft Edge, and then at the browser or at where you type the address, you type edge column / surf, okay? Then you enter from the keyboard. So this is the game. It says let's surf endless. So you can select the player you want to use. You can select this dolphin. You can select any player you want to use for the surfing. Okay, so let me select this player, and then you press on the space bar to start playing the game. Okay, so the controls you'll be using are the arrow keys. Okay, the left arrow, the right arrow, the up and down arrow keys to play the game. So let me press on the space bar to start playing the game. So we'll be using the arrow keys to control our user. Okay, we'll be using the arrow keys to control our user. So let me press again, then we resume the game. So let's play by using the arrow keys. So we are using the arrow keys as our control. Okay, it's a very interesting game. So our browsers have some hidden games that we don't know about. So this is one of them, the surfing game in Microsoft Edge. Okay, so I've resumed the game. Okay, so you can try this game. It's very interesting. Your kids can be playing this game. Yourself, you can be playing this game. Okay, so let me change it to the dolphin and press the space bar, and then I'll use my arrow keys to control the surfing. Okay, it's a very interesting game. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you find value in this video, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.